Of course, to start off your eyes, you want to start with a primer, and today I'm going to be using the Anastasia primer.
Destroy.
For this look, I'm going to be using the Soft Glam and Prism palette from Anastasia. The first color that I'm going to go in with is Burnt Orange, and this is a Morphe M502 brush. For our next color, I'm going to go in with Saturn, and this brush is the M433 by Morphe, and I'm going to put that in the crease. Then I'm going to go back in with the M502 brush and blend it out. Go a little bit more in there. Now I'm going to use a clean brush and just help blend out the harsh edges. In the Prism palette, I'm going to be using Throne. It's this color here, and I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to pat that onto my lid. And as you can see, I'm not going into the crease with it because the brush will do that on its own. I just want to get the color on the lid, and then the brush will blend out into the crease. Now I'm going to take a flat brush from e.l.f. and get a little bit closer. Back with the M433 brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. This brush still has product from using Saturn, so this will help blend out the Throne color. Go back in with my finger again and put a little bit more on the lid.
Destroy.
And then go back in with the crease. I just go back and forth the whole time I do my eyes. Put a little bit more, blend out more. Now that I'm satisfied with the color, now I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Glide On pencil. This is in Perversion. I'm just gonna smudge that out a little bit. This eyeliner is super creamy. Now I'm gonna clean under my eyes. And when I get to the outer corner, I'm going to sharpen it. Like that. With the Stila eyeliner, this is in the micro tip, I'm gonna do a wing liner. That's good. And then I'm gonna start not at the end, but close to it, and bring it in. And then you fill it up. Ah! See, look at that. The only reason why I did the other eyeliner first was because I thought I was gonna do like a smudge look, but then I was like, oh, I kind of want to do a wing because I don't really do wings too much. So that's why I did it, and I did it again because I just want to make sure it came out the same way. But yeah, you don't have to do that. You could just do a wing liner. But I wasn't sure if it would come out differently, so I didn't want to risk it. I'm gonna take the Morphe M207 brush. I'm gonna go in with Noor from the Soft Glam palette. So I put this over top so that it darkens it a little bit. And it gives it more of a matte finish. I'm just going to clean under my eyes because you just never know, especially we just use black. Just want to make sure it's cleaned up before you put any foundation on. For the inner corner highlight, you can use one of these colors here, but I'm actually going to go in with the Amrezy and Anastasia collab. It's the highlighter. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back to finish the eyes. For my lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss Pompadour. For under my eyes, I like to use a shadow brush. I'm gonna go in with Burnt Orange. And in the same Soft Glam palette, I'm gonna use Cypress Umber. This is a Morphe M168 brush. And then I'm gonna blend it into the middle, not all the way. Using the same brush that I used for Burnt Orange, I cleaned it off on a towel, and now I'm just going to blend out the Cypress Umber. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara. I always use the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. So this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!